Hello friends, so I'm going to show you the projector, which is this LED projector, the mini projector. So it's from a company known as itup. So this is the box, this is how it looks like. So yeah, okay, just as you can see here, what all it says, it supports audio support, mp3, uh, WMA, etc., and photo support, JPEG, BMP, PNG, then video support, 3GP, AVI, MKV, and all these things. And now let's talk about the box, what all you have inside the packaging. Okay, first of all, the power adapter. Okay, as you can see here, this is the power adapter, and the pin is this. Okay, this is how it looks like. All right, so let's keep it aside, and then you have this cable, the AV cable, so you can use it to connect with your DVD or speakers or woofers, etc., etc. Okay, this is quite handy. I wish this was quite a little bit more lengthy, even the power adapter as well. Anyways, so let's talk about this one, which is the remote control. Okay, so as you can see, this is the remote control. It's quite lightweight. Okay, and then let's talk about this particular one, the projector. Okay, here we go. This is how the projector looks like. Okay, so you have a C pin, 5 volts pin here, which you can use. And then you have the lens. Okay, so the lens is like yeah, as you can see, it moves forward and it goes backward as you do it. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, and then what else? Yeah, so you have this HDMI pin and USB cable, slots, which are available. Okay, and the last one is for the power cable, the DC in. Okay, and the set of buttons which you see over here, this is the first one, is the power button over here, and then you have the forward and backward, and then you have the option to select OK button. And then what else you have? Yeah, you have the whole, see, with the laptop still being connected, as you can see here, I'm just showing the cable, it's still connected, and I'm just trying to go and change some settings to see if there's any change on the display. See, I'm going to select the text option. No, it doesn't get selected. Movie, no, no changes at all. So I'm going to say OK. Music, no changes. Then photos, no changes either. Text, no changes either. So nothing's really happening. What to do?
क्यों सुन के हवा निकल गई सबकी पहले ये बता तेरा मुंह से हवा क्यों निकल रही insult insult go move smash them bash them finish them ये रात भर डर के मारे सोता नहीं है दिन भर सोता रहता है बब्बू get up बब्बू ये ऐसे स्लीपिंग ड्यूटी बजेगा तो कैसे चलेगा.
Well, as you can see here, I have connected the mobile with this particular projector here. See, I'm just going to show you the cable, not this one. Yeah, just take a look at this cable which I've connected with the projector, which with the mobile, and it still comes up as, oh, the screen, as you can see, it says please plug in an Android or Apple device. Okay, which is really absurd, and I'm going to show you after connecting the laptop also. It doesn't show any changes here. Just hold on. See, as you can see here, I've connected my laptop as well. See, here's the cable. So I've connected this with the projector, and even after connecting to the laptop as well, it shows there's no device which has been detected. So unfortunate. Okay, I'm going to try and turn on some settings here. So I'll just go back here. Okay, so I'm just going to select the option of let's say text, okay, because I'm using the laptop. So I'm just going to select that option. Let's see if it works. Okay, so no, it doesn't, still doesn't work, because I still continue to have this connected on the laptop, as you can see here. So there's not much of difference either. So even if I choose any of the other options such as movie, uh, though it doesn't play at all. Even if I choose some other options such as music, no, that doesn't play either. Photos, no, it doesn't get detected at all. Not sure if this is going to be considered as a software issue or what really, but it's really not working. It's not happening. It's not worthy. Uh, yes, sorry to say that. Yes, of course, whatever device these people make, uh, you know, in China or wherever, it seems like they don't, uh, you know, do the basic things. So that's what I can think of, unfortunately.